I love to travel. Traveling's always been one of my favorite things. So when I became a model, I used to travel a lot, like all over the world. And now being an actress is even more fun because you get to stay at different places for a couple of weeks, even when you shoot. So you get to actually experience the country. It's one of my favorite things about my job. And one of my favorite shoots actually was with Lonely Planet magazine when we shot the cover in Hong Kong. Still one of my favorite covers with Neil Nitin Mukesh together. So go visit Hong Kong. It's an amazing city.
India has so many places that we can travel to because we have mountains which have snow, we have beaches, we have deserts, we have places that are really hot and humid, we have places that are cold. So I think बहुत जन लगने वाले हैं to complete the whole of India only. So yeah, I have a lot of places in India on my wish list. I love traveling in general. I always call myself a gypsy because I feel like there's a saying that like traveling the world is like a book, and if you haven't traveled then you've only seen one page. So my biggest motto in life is to travel. So it's great to be here today for Lonely Planet. I love traveling with someone most of the time. For the first time in my life, I went to Istanbul alone. I did like a solo trip, and it was amazing. It was absolutely liberating to be alone, and I felt like a traveler with like a map, and I had a goal in life. So I would recommend both traveling alone and with someone.
Some of my best trips have been my annual trip with my parents, because when you go with your parents, number one, you don't have to pay for anything. Your parents pay for everything. That's right. So that always helps. Number two, that it's really nice to spend that time with your family, which is different from the usual routine at home, and I like that. You get to know your parents also in a different way. So I think everybody out there should do a trip with their parents.
I recently went to Australia and saw quite a few of the cities. I found South Africa also, which I love. But I'm dying to go to. There's so many places I still have to go to. So I want to go to Norway, and in India I want to go to Ladakh, and I want to explore Himachal a little more than I already have. There's lots to do and lots to see, and so little time.
I love traveling. मेरे पैर टिकते नहीं हैं मुंबई में ज़्यादा. मैं काम के लिए ट्रैवल करती ही हूँ, but I also travel when I'm not working, because I feel that when you travel and you visit new places, you meet new people, you experience new cultures, you grow as a person. And I'm always seeking. I want to learn new things, I want to explore new things, I want to gain new experiences. And when I did Ganga the Soul of India, and I got to travel from the source of Ganga all the way to the sea through 5 amazing states in India, I think it did more for my character and for me as a human being than possibly most things in life can. So I think travel is soul food. It's the essence. It makes us who we are.
मेरे काम में तो मुझे बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट मुझे बहुत सारा ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है, बट येस, आप जब काम से ट्रैवल करते हैं और आप जब लीजर पे ट्रैवल करते हैं उसमें बहुत फ़र्क होता है. पर्सनली आई एम समबडी हू लव्स टू ट्रैवल विद फैमिली. मुझे शायद अकेला आई नेवर लाइक टू ट्रैवल अलोन इज़ रियली नॉट द वे आई डू इट. एंड या आई थिंक ट्रैवल रियली गिव्स यू सम टाइम टू कट ऑफ, बिकॉज हमारी लाइफ इतनी स्ट्रेसफुल होती है, इतनी भागदौड़ होती है. सो इट्स ग्रेट टू काइंड ऑफ गेट अवे फ्रॉम योर मोनोटनी एंड योर यूजुअल लाइफ. So yeah, I am totally all for travel, and I'm really happy that the Lonely Planet magazine actually has an award for travel, and it's a great initiative, and I'm here to support it.
Travel is something that always opens your mind. Sometimes you do it for work, and sometimes you do it because
you're going for fun and you're going to meet family, or you're just taking a break from your normal life. I think that traveling is something that every time I get a chance to do, I always take up the opportunity.
I personally love traveling, and an award for all the tourism department is a great thing, and I'm really happy to be a part of Lonely Planets and looking forward to the show.
यार ट्रैवल किसको नहीं पसंद, सबको पसंद है, आपको पसंद है, मुझे पसंद है, हम सबको पसंद है। मेरी नौकरी ऐसी है कि मुझे मौका मिल जाता है बार बार ट्रैवल करने का, तो आई एम वेरी लकी, बहुत लकी हूँ कि काम की वजह से ट्रैवल करने का मौका मिलता है, तो उसका पूरा फ़ायदा उठाता हूँ। आई वुड हैव टू से इट्स समथिंग दैट सब बोलते हैं कि मेरी हॉबी है या मेरा पैशन है ट्रैवल करना, बट जेन्युइनली हमारी ज़िंदगी में सुकून ज़्यादा मिलता है जब हम गुम हो सकते हैं, तो वो मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं, तो उसका फ़ायदा उठाया जाता है। ट्रैवल करके ही हम गुम हो पाते हैं, तो वो एक अच्छी बात है ट्रैवल करके।